Hello folks, this is Ajha from inspiredrise.com and today we are going to unbox and review the Oppo R17 Pro. So guys, let's first start with an unboxing for the Oppo R17 Pro. This is the official box for the Oppo R17 Pro. You can see the SAR values at the back of this box, and let's just open up the box to see what's on the inside. On the inside you get the R17 Pro smartphone. This is the radiant mist color. It looks really good, a very nice pink and blue gradient on the back. You get the SIM tray slot removal pin. You also get the TPU cover, which is of a blue shade and looks really good. It complements the color of the smartphone. On the inside you also get the 50-watt VOOC charger, which can charge the smartphone fully in just 40 minutes, and you also get the AirPods style earphones. This smartphone comes with a water drop notch style design and has a 6.4-inch full HD plus display, which looks really good, AMOLED display. At the back there are 3 camera sensors, and one of those is for the TOF 3D stereo camera. On the right hand side there's the power button, and on the left hand side there's the volume rocker. This device comes with ColorOS latest version, and if I talk about the display, it was quite vibrant and good. And there's the 25 megapixel selfie camera on the front, which you can see it's present in the notch itself. And apart from that, there are a lot of things good about this phone. The design looks really promising, and then there is another 20 megapixel sensor at the back, along with the 12 megapixel main sensor, which comes with a variable aperture from f1.5 to f2.4. And now let's talk about the battery. It comes with a 3700 mAh battery, which charges really fastly with the Super VOOC charger, and battery backup is seriously good on the smartphone. If I talk about few other things, the performance etc is good. It comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 chipset, 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It supports microSD expansion, but there is a hybrid SIM tray slot. The Oppo R17 Pro would be available in radiant mist and emerald green colors. The emerald green also looks really good. It looks really black in the dark. And now let's talk about the camera and camera UI. The front camera is an ultra wide one at 20mm f2.0 25 megapixel sensor with 1x2.8 inch sensor and 0.9 micrometer pixel size. All of the images were really good, and low light performance of the camera is also quite good. The videos taken were also of respectable quality. The back videos could have been better stabilized. The back camera supports up to 4K video recording, while the front camera supports up to 1080p video recording. I believe that the front camera video resolution could have been a little bit more with all of the power under the hood that this phone has, but still the resolution is not bumped up. There are other modes like portrait mode etc for taking photographs with all of those different lighting effects, and then there's the in-display fingerprint sensor, which is quite fast and didn't have any issues with that. And then there's also the face unlock, which is really fast on the smartphone. A lot of people like face unlock more than the fingerprint sensor, so that's something. And now let's test the audio playback of this smartphone. The audio playback was loud, crisp and clear, and this smartphone comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection. The variable aperture also works quite nice on this one, has a 402 pixel per inch PPI density, and I believe that the front camera is also quite good, and it also supports USB OTG on the USB 3.1 USB-C port at the bottom. The ColorOS experience is something that a lot of people might not like, and it's one of those things which a lot of people consider a pain point for something like this. And a lot of people expect stock Android like interface, just like seen on OnePlus 60, which is the Oxygen OS, but still almost feels like stock Android. And overall the look and feel of this smartphone is really good. The features etc work quite good, but it all boils down to the pricing. The smartphone scored around 1,57,000 on the Antutu benchmark, and even gaming etc also was quite respectable on this one. You can play almost all of the modern games. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 chipset is powerful enough to run almost all of your games and everything, but you have to consider the fact that this smartphone is priced at around 46,000 rupees, and for such a price it's really overpriced. And for this price I don't even feel like recommending this phone to people who can easily buy something like a Pocophone F1 for 21,000 rupees. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspire to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.